How to convert Microsoft Word document to PowerPoint presentation. Now, this is actually very simple. Now, what we are going to do is basically change a few parts of our document. For example, this one right here. You're going to go ahead and click this one and change this to heading 1. So it is important that the title of each slides or chapters of each slides is going to be set as heading 1. So for example, I have there, change this to heading 1, just like so. And then for the body, it is important as well that you set them to heading 2. Now this is going to be heading 2, for example, as well. I'm going to go ahead and set it that. And let's say, for example, you want these to be like the details along the body. What you're going to do is change it to heading 3. So basically, it's going to be smaller details as part of the heading 2. Now, I'm going to go ahead and set these here to heading 2, just like so. And then these here is heading 2 as well. And then I have this detail here for heading 3. Okay, there you go. Now, what we are going to do is click the quick access toolbar and click more commands. And we are going to go ahead and look for the S. Change this, by the way, to all commands. And then we're going to go ahead and select the send button. Okay, this one right here, send to Microsoft PowerPoint. You're going to add this. You will be seeing something like this and then hit OK. Once you do that, you should be seeing this button right here. This is our send button. Send from Word to Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm going to click this one and you should be able to see this one. All right, so here you go. So there are a few blank pages here. That is because I've actually inserted a page break. But yeah, that's basically it. So you have this one. This is the title. And then you have the body. And then if you're going to go here, you have this title, you have this heading 2, and then down below our heading 3 that we have set earlier. So this is more on heading 2. And then here you have the heading 1, heading 2, and then down below you have the heading 3. Now the problem here, as you can see, is that somehow it's not going to basically fit in all of these here or all of the slide space. Now what you're going to do is manually adjust this one, but basically that is how it is done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.